कुंता भार्गव साई, वी अनिकेत,
Yes, ma'am.
वी अनिकेत, are you there? हितांशु सोनी, अनिकेत महेश्वरम,
Yes, ma'am.
वामशी कृष्णा,
Yes, ma'am.
वामशी कृष्णा, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
एस त्रिनाथ,
Yes, ma'am.
सलमान सरोश, मणिकंता कोटा, अधिमणिवर्ष, भरत चंद्र,
Yes, ma'am.
गंजी अनुदीप, एन विनय,
Yes, ma'am. Anudeep. Yes. Present, ma'am.
मुहीन रॉय,
Present, ma'am.
हेमंत रेड्डी,
Yes, ma'am.
धारने नंदिनी,
Ma'am, Hemant Reddy present.
yeah, I've marked you present. धारने नंदिनी,
Present, ma'am.
धारने नंदिता,
Present, ma'am.
जिन्ना उषयश्री, क्षितिज मिश्रा,
Yes, ma'am.
पायल संजय, साई विघ्नेश,
Yes, ma'am.
बीबी प्रद्युमन, अतितेल नागेश्वरी,
Yes, ma'am.
हस्मिता दसारी,
Yes, ma'am.
रावी,
Yes, ma'am.
कांक्षा चौहान,
Present, ma'am. Present, Himanshu.
गट्टू श्री हर्षिता,
Yes, ma'am.
कोलाकी अंजलि पटनायक, आयुषी कनोजिया,
Present, ma'am.
अंशुल कनोजिया,
Present, ma'am.
तेला मनासा,
Present, ma'am.
पोथू गुना शेखर,
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
ललित आदित्य रेड्डी, अमित कोराडा,
Yes, ma'am.
यशवंत साई अलापति, प्रज्ञा श्री गौर, सदानंद अनुराग कुमार,
Present, ma'am.
एम विष्णुवर्धन रेड्डी, एन गायत्री, ज्वेलरी वामशी, अंकित सिंह, पनुगंती ऐश्वर्या,
Yes, ma'am.
तुलिपी कोनिका प्रीति,
Yes, ma'am.
स्नाथम लहरी,
Yes, ma'am.
प्रिंस सिंह डोगरा, okay, so I'm done with the attendance. You can take over.
Okay. And if anyone has left with your names, they can write in the chat box. My voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Screen is visible.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. No.
मेरी आवाज रुक रुक के आ रही है?
नहीं सर, आपकी आवाज ठीक ठाक आ रही है सर।
आप दिख रही है?
सर हाँ सर, हाँ सर।
ठीक, तो okay, fine. So yesterday, as we already seen that today we are going to talk about what is a naive Bayes classifier. So just brief me about that. What is naive Bayes? It's something like it's a supervised learning algorithm. It is basically used for classification purpose, and that too on a Bayes theorem. Fine. Is the readable format में है ना PPT?
हाँ सर, हाँ सर।
Change.
सर रीड कर दो।
Now it's fine.
सर ये बेटर है।
Okay, so it's basically works on Bayes theorem. So what actually naive Bayes classifier is? It is somewhat a classification algorithm which helps to build the machine learning algorithms that make quick predictions, and it is called as a probabilistic classifier. Fine, because in this whole theorem we are going to have this probability gamings and all. It just predicts on the basis of a probability of the new object, or we can say on the basis of the new instances. What is it is something, just note this point, it assumes that the presence of a particular future in a class is unrelated to the presence of any other future. Fine. So this is the example. This is already the example that we have seen in decision tree. Now again we are going to look upon the same procedure, that how actually naive Bayes actually works on. Some of the examples of naive Bayes you can say as palm filtrations and some sentimental analysis and all. So what is this Bayes rule? It is just actually the probability of a hypothesis with some prior knowledge, and it actually depends on a conditional probability. So for any naive Bayes, the 3 points that you have to keep in mind to solve any naive Bayes problem. First point is just you have to find the prior probabilities. That is this whatever your dependent variables will be, you have to find out, like the probability of yes, probability of no. These are called as the prior probabilities. Second thing, you have to work on the conditional probabilities on a each and different attributes. For outlook, humidity, and wind, you have to perform conditional probabilities. Like if it is sunny, it is given like outlook is sunny and it is yes. So what is going to be the probability? So in some case we can go on with that work. And the third important point, that is to find the new instance. Okay, whenever you are going to given a new instance regarding this question, you have to find according to the problems. First point you have to keep is just to create the prior probabilities, second conditional, and the third is will be your finding the new instance. Fine. So this is the something like an these are called as the likelihood tables, where you can find like this is an outlook. When it is sunny, we have the probability of yes is 3/9, and it is no, we can say it as 2/5. Same way for overcast and for rainy. So this is called as a likelihood table. We are going to build to seeing an example. Fine. Same way it will move on for humidity and wind. Okay. So this is called as the normalizing the values. I'll tell you this part also later on. So just quickly we are going to see the example. Okay, so the word file is visible to you now.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Okay, so what you have to do, the first point, that is finding the prior probabilities. Fine, that is P of yes and P of no. To find the prior probabilities, that like how many, like we have P of yes, among this we got a 14 data points, among which we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we got 9 as the positive, that is equal to yes value, that is 9 by 14. That is called as your prior probability for yes. In the similar way, the prior probability for no, it will be like 5 by 14. Now again, these are the likelihood tables now. Just increase this font size and all. Okay, so the first thing, what you have, the probability outlook equal to sunny given it is yes. फाइन, आपको फाइंड क्या करना है कि आपको दे दिया गया है कि प्रोबेबिलिटी जो है सनी है एंड यस है, तो ऐसे कितने कंडीशंस है, अब वो हमें फाइंड आउट करने हैं. You have been given that outlook is sunny with given it as yes. Fine. Now you have to see. Okay, now outlook, how many values we have for sunny? We have to go and check 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We got 5 values for sunny. In the similar fashion, how many yes we are getting for sunny? So this is 1 time and this is 2 times. So among 9 times yes, we are getting 2 times as yes for sunny and no. Now we have 5 sunnies. Okay, I'll just write here as 5. So we got 5 sunnies, among which 2 are giving as yes. So the remaining 3 will be showing as no. Fine. The 9, it just to show the prior probability of yes, that we got 9 case, and in no we are getting as 5 case. Fine. Simple. Now overcast, we got 4. Among this overcast, we are getting 4 as we have to see overcast yes, yes and yes. So all we are getting as yes, the 4 by 9, and the probability of no will be 0. How many rains we are getting? We are getting 5 rains. Okay, fine. 5 rains. Among that, how many yes? This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Okay, so we are getting 3 yes. That means 3 by 9. Similar way, so it is remaining 2, simply 2 by 5. So this is called a likelihood table of a one particular attribute, that is the attribute as outlook. Similar fashion, you have to move on for temperature as well. So what will be like, again we got hot, mild, and cold. How many hot we are getting, that we have to see first. Hot, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 hots we are getting. Then we are getting mild as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mild. Okay, I'll just write there. Hot we are getting as 4, mild we are getting as 6, and cool 10, just remaining 4, just keep it as 4. Now how many yes we are getting in hot as yes? 1 and then 2. So 2 yes and 2 no. Simply 2 by 9 and 2 by 5. Now we'll move to mild. Mild we got as yes, 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 and yes. So we are getting as 4 yes. So 4 by 9, then 2 by 5. Similar fashion, when we move on for cool purpose, we are getting as cool 1, 2, and 3. We got 3 as and 1 by 5. Everyone understand this point, that how we have to generate this likelihood tables?
Yes, sir.
Everyone else?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, this in the similar fashion. Now you have to just tell me what will be the purpose of humidity now. Okay, so now we got humidity here. Humidity, we got high and normal. I'll just tell you how many highs are there. Highs are there as 7 and normal as there as 7. Fine, normal as 7. Now what is going to be the probability of high here? High given it is yes. Humidity equal to high given it is Yes. So how many highs will be there? Can anyone tell me? Okay, I'll just take the names. They have to say me. Okay. Yes, Gunashekhar sir. Hemant sir. Hemant sir. No. Kshitij sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Can you tell me that how many highs are there given it is at yes?
7. नहीं sir. Highs yes. 1 2. So 3.
3. So यहाँ पर हमें क्या लिखना होगा? What we have to write here?
3 by 7.
3 by
7.
क्यों 7?
3 by 9.
3 by 9. अच्छा, एंड नो के लिए?
नो के लिए सर रिमेनिंग बाकी हो गया.
यहाँ पर 7 थे हमारे पास, तो 3 हो गए, तो
हाँ.
बचते हैं 4.
4. हाँ.
तो यहाँ पर क्या वैल्यू आएगी?
4 by 5.
Yes, okay, 4 by 5. Simple. Okay, fine. So next, Vinay sir.
Sir.
Okay. Is the screen visible? Now, can you tell me the same for normalize?
Yes.
This is the table. Now you have to just tell me for normal.
1 2 3 7 normals.
Yeah, we got 7 normals, but among them, how many normals we are getting as yes?
1 2 3 4 6, sir.
So what is going to be written here?
6 by 9.
And that in this?
1 by 5.
Okay, fine. Similar fashion, we have to move on for wind as well. Oh, sorry. So wind, we are getting strong as 5 and weak as okay, I'll just have to see once how many we are getting as strong. Strong we are getting as 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, we are getting as 6. Okay, fine. We are getting as 6. In the similar fashion, it will be like 8. What is the probability of yes here for strong? Yes, then yes, and then yes. Okay, simple. So we are getting as 3 by 9 and 3 by 5. Then we got weak as yes, we have to same again. Weak, yes, yes, yes. 4 5 6. We are getting as 6 by 9 and 2 by 5. Simple. So these are the okay, simply. So have you know about that how we have to generate these tables, the likelihood tables, everyone? So we got 4 attributes. The first point, we have to find the prior probabilities. Then second, these are the conditional probabilities that we have kept in a formation of likelihood. Fine. Now we have to find the instance. Fine. So it is given. Okay. The question is something like, now you have given the question here that outlook equal to sunny, then temperature equal to cool, then humidity is high, and wind equal to strong. Okay, fine. So this is the question we have. Is it visible? What the question is? So now we have to find the probability that whether a person is going to play a tennis when we have given outlook is sunny, when we have given temperature is cool, humidity is high, and wind is strong. Simple. हमें अब ये चीज हम लोग को find करनी है. So now what's the procedure for it? ठीक. इसका एक छोटा सा फॉर्मूला है. It's something like difficult to share with you now क्योंकि उसको लिखकर समझाना पड़ेगा. Something now, okay, fine. So now we have got two prior probabilities. So one is for yes and one is for no. So simply we have to find for both of these things. Find for yes what will be the probability and for no what will be the probabilities. If we are getting whichever the values we are getting as high, we can see like if yes we are getting as 0.7 or something and no we are getting as 0.3, then we can call it as yes the person can play. Fine. एक minute. Okay, so now what will be the formula? Formula is something written as this is you have to keep in mind. जैसे मैं आपको इसका शॉर्ट फॉर्म जो होगा वो आपको मैं नोट्स में दे दूंगा, बट यहाँ पर आपको समझने के लिए आपको मैं ये लिख के दे रहा हूँ. ठीक. Okay, fine. So this is the formula for to finding the final output. ठीक. This is simple, nothing much. What we have to take, this is the prior probability. Apart from that, we have to take each and every conditional probability depending upon our question. Fine. Here, what is sunny by yes? Why we have taken sunny? Because we have given here as outlook equal to sunny. If here it is shown as overcast, we have to take it as overcast by yes. Similar way, then we have to move for temperature, that is cool by yes. Then for humidity purpose, and finally we have to move for wind purpose. Okay, so as we are calculating for yes, we have to go with all the probabilities with yes. The first one is the prior probability of yes. Then the remaining four values are the conditional probabilities that we have already generated in the likelihood tables. That I already told that this is sunny. The outlook is sunny when it is given as yes. So this is going to come here. Then probability of temperature equal to cool when it is given as yes. Similar for humidity high, yes, strong and weak. So similar fashion, your no will also going to come. Just the only replacement will be the values are going to be changed, because now you have to focus on the no probability. Simple. Okay, I'll just tell you. Okay, this is the actual purpose. So now if we just calculate now, keeping the values. So what is P by S? What is P of S? We are getting as 9 by 14. That is 9 by 14 multiplied by sunny by S. That is we got sunny and that is yes, that is 2 by 9. Then we got cool and yes, that is 3 by 9. High and yes, that is 3 by 9. So 2 by 9, then 3 by 9, 3 by 9, and strong, yes, that is 3 by 9. Similar fashion, you have to just keep here the values. 2 by 9, star 3 by 9, star 3 by 9, star 3 by 9. So this will be the final equation, and whatever the value you will get, just I'll keep 9 9 cancelled to 1 upon 7, 3 3 3 9, 1 upon 7 into 23 27 7 1 7 7 27 189, something regarding 1 divided by 189. I guess this is something the value which we'll get. I'll just check the values. मैं बाद में कॉल करता हूँ बाद में. Okay, fine. I'll just quickly check in the calculator. कोई मुझे सिर्फ बता सकता है कि इसकी वैल्यू 1/189 ही आ रही है क्या? Please, if someone
सर
don't.
मेरी भी 189 आई।
हाँ, तो 1/189 क्या आ रही है वैल्यू?
सर 2 मिनट।
0.0053. Okay, fine. मैंने लिख दिया. Then probability of no, that is 5/14 multiplied by P of Sunny no. Now Sunny it is known as 3/5. Then cool by 5, that is 1/5, 3/5, 1/5, 4/5, and 3/5. 3/5, 1/5. 3/5, 1/5, 4/5. और लास्ट का क्या है? स्ट्रॉन्ग का भी है 3/5, 3/5. ओके, इसका कोई मुझे आंसर बता सकता है अभी? ये सही है ना? 3/5, 1/5, 3/5, 1/5, 4/5 और 3/5. ओके, फाइन. तो इसका कोई मुझे आंसर बता सकता है अभी क्या है इसका?
सर 0.0205।
0.0205. Fine. Is this? पक्का यही है ना? और आपको मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही है?
सर आ रही है, बस
सर,
वो
आ
काम
रही
कर
है।
रहे हो एक्चुअली, कैलकुलेशन कर रहे हो एक्चुअली.
हाँ, एक बार मुझे करके फाइनल बताना ये आ रहा है क्या?
यस सर, दैट वन इज राइट।
चेक कर रहे हैं।
Sorry? Someone just said
सर
something.
चेक कर रहे हैं।
हाँ.
सर ठीक ठाक आ रहा है सर. 0.0205.
अच्छा, ठीक. तो okay, fine. So these are the two things that we are getting. Okay, the yes value we are getting a probability of 0.0053, and now we are getting no as 0.0205. So this is the final method. You can easily clarify here that the probability is something you have the given interest. Like when you have this scenario like outlook equal to sunny, temperature equal to cool, humidity equal to high, and wind equal to strong, a lot of chance is getting no, that a person can't play because we are getting a high probability here. That is no equal to, it is something like 0.02. Okay, now what you have to do, the next point, as I already said, this is the final normalization. So what will be the final normalization of any particular value, that is P of S? This is the actual formula, last formula for normalization. P of S equal to P of just a minute. So whatever the values we are getting, P of S by P of S plus P of no. Okay, can now just tell me these values, that what are these values now going to get? P of S, that is 0.0053 divided by 0.0053 plus 0.0205. इसका आंसर in similar fashion okay, just tell me what is the answers you are getting here. I'll also try to check. 0.0053
1.0205.
1 के ऊपर कैसे जा सकता है? प्रोबेबिलिटीज 1 के अंदर ही होती है ना।
तो वो सेम नंबर से डिवाइड हो रहा है तो 1 ही आएगा ना.
क्या?
तो
वो
0.05
सेम नंबर है ना।
ये क्या है? हाँ ये एक है, ये डिवाइड, अरे ये तो पूरा प्लस में है, तो ये दोनों कैसे डिवाइड हो सकता है?
सर रिजल्ट आएगा 0.7210.
किसका? यस का आएगा?
हाँ सर यस का 0.7210.
0.
Sir, 0.2054.
सर 0.2054.
0.205. हाँ इसका क्या आ रहा है? लगभग जो भी आएगा 7 के रेशियो के आसपास ही आएगा.
0.794.
0.794. ओके फाइन. सो नाउ व्हाट इज दिस वैल्यूज? ओके देखो मैं यहाँ पर फिर से लिख देता हूँ. P of S control V and this is the value and P of no we are getting as 0.794. okay fine. So this is the reason behind getting this normalization. Okay fine, this is the actual and the final normalized values. Now when you are going to add these both values, you will get very close to an answer of 1 for sure. Like if you add these things, you will get as a 0.999 something. Fine, you are getting it as na, as if we do more accuracy point na, so we will get this point very close to 1. So this is the reason behind converting into a normalization formation. Even if you are not able to do these things, it's not a big issue, because most of the part from these two values only you can get what is going to be the final output. Simple. Now what we have did, I'll just repeat what we have done. This is the small data set. Simply what we have done is, first of all, we have to calculate the prior probabilities. Then in that similar case, we have to find the conditional probabilities in the formation of likelihood tables. These are the 4 tables for all the attributes. Then on the new instance, we have to check whether the person is going to play or not according to this question. So when we are going to talk with yes, the equation will be the prior probability multiplied with all the conditional probabilities for each and every attribute. 1 for outlook, 1 for temperature, 1 for humidity, and 1 for wind. You have to multiply it with all the probabilities. Fine. Simply you have to just find that, simply put it as yes value, then simply calculate for no, and then just keep the value as no. You can get an idea that which is going to be get here. Then after, simply for normalization purpose, just do this formula, like this is the final equation and this is going to be the final output. Okay, so this is the actual question, that is something like when is outlook sunny, temperature cool, humidity high, and wind equal to strong. So what is this question actually belongs to? Then yes and no. Okay fine, I'll just go with the question here. Calculating the okay fine, we are getting it as no, sunny, simple, yes by high, yes by, okay fine. So this is the actual scenario now you have to get. Okay, this is the output equation. Fine, what you have given now, outlook we have given as rain, humidity is high, and wind is weak. I guess they have not taken the एक वैल्यू रहेगा, टेम्परेचर इन्होंने नहीं लिया. ओके फाइन, नॉट एन इशू. I'll just try to take with an example of this. On these similar 3 conditional probabilities, we have to find whether he is going to play or not. So for what, yes, simply outlook equal to outlook when rain by yes, humidity high by yes, wind equal to yes into probability of yes. Fine, this is the prior probability, and the remaining all are the conditional probabilities. So we are getting a close as value of this. Similar fashion, we have to move for no purpose and then just standardize these values. Fine, हो गया, बस इतना ही था. समझ आ गया? Everyone just understand the today's task will be, I will share this word file with you. What you have to do, I'll just write down a question there, like in the similar fashion, like something like question, it's something outlook sunny, मैं यहाँ पे कुछ change कर दूंगा, and then you have to solve that. Fine, that's the only work you have to do today. That's the task you have to do. Okay, fine.
Okay, sir. Okay. Yes, sir.
समझ आ गया ना? लेकिन क्या करना था, कैसे करना था आपको?
Yes, sir.
You have to keep in mind 3 points. First, prior probabilities. Second, simply go for the second point is conditional probabilities by likelihood tables, and the final point is going to find out the actual terms using the equation. ठीक, simple. I'll just share with you. Okay, so this is something, and another example regarding regarding Python, that how actually it works on. So simply from SQL and data sets, we have already a data set as Iris. I have just directly taken from there. Simply run that data set. Just it will run the program. The whole thing it will show you. Then this is the final. What is that? This is the data x and y. We have converted the values. Then simply we have trained the data split the data set, and here that is the Gaussian NB, that is the Gaussian naive bias we have applied on this particular training and splitting test. Then we have just predicted the value, that what is going to get us accuracy. Fine, simple है ये. naive bias is चलेगा ही नहीं यार. Okay, fine. So this is okay, fine. So if you will take now that these are the target values. Okay, that is already being there. Okay, so simple है, इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं आएगा. Basically naive bias is basically used for spam filtrations and all. ये तो सिर्फ एक example था. Okay, if you want to share me, I'll just share you. This is also another example if you want. And okay, fine. So this is the actual equation. Now you have to find the fruit. In this equation, maybe I'll also share this thing as well. What you have given, you have yellow, sweet, and long as your attributes. These are the total values, and these are the fruits. Now you have to find the fruit, whether it is you have to keep in mind, yes, it is yellow, it is sweet and long. One thing is for sure, as it is long and it is mango, it is showing as 0, so mango is not going to be counted. Now the remaining only two bananas and others you have to work on. Okay, first I will just share this example with you, then on that basis you have to solve the problem. Fine, ठीक, किसी को कोई issue आज में?
Sir, can you please share the PowerPoint presentation that you have shown us?
ये वाला?
हाँ sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, एक मिनट. अरे बोला ना तेरे को, मैं कॉल करूंगा, मैं वापस कॉल करूंगा. शांति सांस तो ले. हाँ हाँ करता हूँ. ओके फाइन. ओके, ये मैं देखता हूँ. एक्चुअली है ना, ये पीपीटीज में शेयर करना है नहीं करना है, मैं आपको बताता हूँ. यार ये तो कॉल करना नहीं. हेलो, ओके फाइन. सो ये वाले पीपीटीज है ना, मैं अभी शेयर देखता हूँ करना है नहीं करना. एक बार मुझे रिया मैम से पूछना पड़ेगा इसके लिए, क्योंकि एक बार जैसे ही वो बोलते हैं शेयर करने के लिए, फिर मैं शेयर कर दूंगा. ठीक,
Okay sir.
Okay, sir.
हाँ. एंड ऑल ये तो सारे के सारे पीपीटीज ऑलरेडी है ना, सिंपल लर्न के लिए है. ये बहुत सारे है यहाँ पर, ऑलमोस्ट फ्रॉम लेसन 0 से लेसन 10 तक है, जिसमें हमने डेटा प्री प्रोसेसिंग हो गई, सुपरवाइज्ड हो गया, फ्यूचर बाकी है. सुपरवाइज्ड क्लासिफिकेशन का खाली एक सपोर्ट वेक्टर है जो हो जाएगा. देन वी विल मूव फॉर अनसुपरवाइज्ड. देन विल हैव वन मोर एज Then we'll move on for deep learning concepts as well. We have some few deep learnings as well. Okay, हो जाएगा. But I'll just ask with ma'am that whether they have give you permission and all. If she gives, then we'll think. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
And yeah, because कल session नहीं, tomorrow session is going to be rescheduled on Saturday because tomorrow we have the new batch coming up, so we have an induction meeting tomorrow, so we will be not be able to take any classes tomorrow. So tomorrow's schedule will be on Saturday. Fine. Saturday को वैसे भी इसमें जो भी टास्क दिए हैं ये वो already been submitted to me, so no submissions and reviews will be there on Saturday. We'll have a small lecture only on that day and we'll complete the support vector machines on Saturday. Okay, tomorrow will be on holiday. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
सर आज वाली भी कोड फाइल शेयर कर देना.
आज वाली
कोड फाइल जो भी आपने दिखाई थी ना,
वो नेम बाइस वाली.
यस सर, जो कॉलम बनाया था आपने.
हाँ, मतलब कौन सा, ये वर्ड
सर, वो
फाइल एग्जाम्पल वाला या पाइथन वाला?
कोलैब वाला,
और
कोलैब वाला.
पाइथन दोनों भी.
हाँ, मैं दोनों शेयर कर दूंगा.
ओके ओके.
If any more queries you can ask. किसी को कोई क्वेरी नहीं है तो they can start moving out. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Have a nice
Sir, bye, sir.
evening.
Have a nice
Bye.
day, sir.
Keep smiling, everyone. Bye.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir.
दिव्यांशु मैम नहीं है क्या?
తేజ సార్,
Yes, sir.
ఇది రేపటి నుంచి న్యూ బ్యాచ్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది అన్నారు కదా.
हाँ.
ఇది
एक निमिष.
కంప్లీట్.
हेलो मैम. हाँ मैम, ये हो चुका है. आप रिकॉर्डिंग बंद कर सकते हो बाकी. ठीक ओके. చెప్పండి.
ఇది రిజిస్ట్రేషన్స్ అయిపోయినాయా సార్? అవి
రిజిస్ట్రేషన్స్ అయిపోయినాయి ఆల్రెడీ. లైక్ స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయిందే 3rd 4th నుంచి అవుతాండి. ఆల్రెడీ అప్పుడే చెప్పాను కదా నేను, ఎవరికైనా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే చెప్పండి అని. ఆల్రెడీ లైక్ సంథింగ్స్ ఇప్పుడు ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఇంక చెప్పలేం కూడా ఇప్పుడు తీసుకుంటారా లేదో కూడా. ఎన్ని మందిలో ఉంటారు మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ లో ఉంటారా?
ఫ్రెండ్స్ లో ఉన్నారు.
ఎన్ని మెంబర్స్?
3 members ఉన్నారు.
అవునా? ఏం డొమైన్ లోకి?
డొమైన్ మిషన్ లెర్నింగ్ అని తీసుకుంటారు వాళ్ళు, లేకుంటే వేరే ఏదైనా చేయడానికి ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ ఉన్నారు. మిషన్ లెర్నింగ్ అయితే చేస్తారు.
అండ్ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ కాస్ట్ ఎంతో తెలుసా ఇప్పుడు?
తెలీదు.
ఇప్పుడు 200 అన్నమాట ఇప్పుడు.
ఓకే.
సో ఆయన చేస్తారంట అయినా వాళ్ళు.
ఓకే.
ఓకేనా? చేస్తారు అయితే.
చేస్తారు.
ఓకే. సో ఒకసారి నేను రియా మ్యామ్ తోటి మాట్లాడి నేను మీకు రిప్లై ఇస్తాను. ఓకేనా? వాట్సాప్ లో మీకు దాంట్లో రిప్లై ఇస్తాను. ఓకేనా? యాక్చువల్లీ మామూలుగా ఈ రోజు ఫైనల్, ఈ రోజు ఆల్మోస్ట్ అందరి పేమెంట్స్ కూడా అయిపోతున్నాయి అన్నమాట. రేపు ఇండక్షన్ మీటింగ్.
యాక్చువల్లీ నాకు తెలియదు ఇంకో బ్యాచ్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందని తెలియదు, సో అందుకనేసి చెప్పలేదు.
ఓకే సార్, నేను చూస్తాను. ఒకసారి చూసి నేను రియా మ్యామ్ తో కనుక్కొని ఒకవేళ కానీ ఓకే అన్నారనుకో నేను మీకు రిప్లై బ్యాక్ ఇస్తాను.
ఓకే
ఓకే
సార్.
ఓకే బాయ్. నైస్ డే. కీప్ స్మైలింగ్. మాన్సా మ్యామ్, హేమంత్ సార్, మణికంఠ సార్.
సార్
అదే వినపడుతుందా లేదా అని వాళ్ళు చెప్తుంటే వాళ్ళు ఏం రెస్పాన్స్ ఇవ్వకపోతుంటే వినపడుతుందా లేదా అనేది. ఓకే ఫైన్. Okay, fine. Then I'll also remove. Okay, bye. Bye, everyone.